Hiya, it's Rob here at Platinum Wave Automotive. You looking to go away camping soon? Gonna go exploring? Then we might have the perfect solution for you. Here at Platinum Wave, we have our brand new 200-watt solar panels. Here at Platinum Wave Automotive, we have a dedicated after-sales team fully trained and able to fit these panels to your vehicle. They are made of high quality material, making them durable and efficient and built to last. The benefit of having a solar panel installed on your vehicle is the unlimited power source. It allows you to use a range of different appliances and electrical parts in the vehicle, making it less reliant on using the 240-volt hookup. Solar panels help reduce carbon footprint, making them a sustainable choice of power. When you go away exploring nature, you get to be rest assured you're also protecting it as well. Here at Platinum Wave, our solar panels offer more power, more charge, more storage, keeping your leisure battery well maintained through a trickle charge whilst under the sun. What it will mean is you'll get more use out of your leisure battery over the time you have your camper van. If you're looking to have a solar panel installed onto your van, whether you bought it from us or anywhere else, drop me an email at aftersales@platinumwaveautomotive.com or give me a call on 024 76 101 450.